And it's time to pull those pies out to get our aluminum foil off there. And we're going to turn the heat down. Ooh, that's hot. This pie's been in here for just about 45 minutes. Let's take this top one out. This is the gluten-free one. And that looks pretty good. It looks done. I'm glad I put the aluminum foil on there. Now this one, let's see. I feel like this needs a little bit longer. I don't want to burn it. I'm going to put it in. I'll turn it around. I'm going to put this in for about 4 minutes. We made our strawberry rhubarb yesterday, and we're going to give it a little taste test. I let this cool down last night a little bit and then got it in the fridge, and we're going to serve it today at our picnic. So here is your close-up so you can get a good look in there. See? It's not runny. It was very good.